Everyone, my name is Kimberly Fama and I'm one of the librarians here at the David Lam Library and the Canaccord Learning Commons. Today to quickly introduce to you our academic integrity tutorial. And this is very unique because I've co-created this with your instructor and we really made sure that the content here is digestible, practical, and focused on the business discipline. The goal of this module is not just to discourage cheating because it's kind of common sense that cheating is bad, but to help you foster integrous, ethical behaviors that will help you when you graduate Sauder and build your careers and lives. This AI module is composed of principles, real-life business examples to illustrate those concepts, videos, and last but not least, we also have exercises for you to practice your learning after each major chapter. And before I forget, we also have a feedback form located at the end of the module because we really want to know what you guys like most, areas we can improve, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will list my email address down below. And yeah, good luck everyone and see you around. Bye.